Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome to all of you for today's function. We are so glad that you all took out time and came to attend today's function. I would also like to have a special mention about the principals of the schools and preschools who have joined us today. We have the media reporters from Gurjar Math, Gurjar Bhumi, NIE and Speak Out. We also have the principals of schools like Dashme School, Navbharat School, Sharon English High School, Sau Lakshmi Bai School, Lokmanya Tilak School, SKKES School, DAV Mulund School, and many preschool principals are here. That is the Funshine Preschool, Coco Kids, Modern Nursery, Galloping Minds, Little Chalks, First Impressions, Little Angels, Richmond Nursery, Sunshine Kids, Little Petals, The Learning Tree, Small Wonders, Just for Kids, PAC, Euro Kids Bandup, Pupils Academy, and Euro Kids Kanchumag. Welcome you all to this function. I'm sure you will enjoy the show. Our Honorable Chairman, Sir Professor M. Ramchandran Sir, is not able to attend today's event. He has sent his blessings and wishes through email. Please have a look at the slide. So Sir especially mentioned to all the staff and the parents best wishes for the grand success of our 15th annual day celebration of Seven Isles International School. Let us give a warm round of applause to our Chairman Sir Professor M. Ramchandran Sir. Thank you. I now request our chief guests, management, principal and dignitaries to please come on the dais for the felicitation program. It is my privilege to introduce our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Archana Patki, the Principal and Head of Department of Psychology at Srimati Maniben M. Pisha Women's College of Arts and Commerce. Please welcome ma'am on stage. With over 37 years of experience in higher education, she has been instrumental in her institution's remarkable progress, earning prestigious recognitions like the NAAC accreditation in UGC's College with Potential for Excellence. A compassionate mentor, Dr. Patki has shaped the lives of thousands of students and contributed as an academic advisor to leading institutions. She is a UGC certified master trainer and a recognized expert in life skills education, having conducted transformative workshops across the country. Dr. Patki's excellence has earned numerous accolades, including Best Teachers Award and recognition as Woman Achiever for her contribution to education and society. Can I have a slide, please? We are honored to have such a visionary leader with us today. Please join me in welcoming Dr. Archana Patki, a distinguished educator, compassionate leader, and an inspiring role model. Let's give her a warm round of applause. I requested our management to felicitate Dr. Patki. Yeah. We now request our esteemed chief guest to kindly felicitate the management and our respected principal as a token of appreciation for the invaluable contribution to the institution. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a huge round of applause. I request our chief guest to felicitate our beloved trustee madam, Bharati ma'am. Mrs. Radhika Sudhakaran. She's not okay. Now I request our chief guest to felicitate Mr. Shanmugha Sundar, the principal of Nasik Cambridge School. I request ma'am to felicitate our principal, Prabhu sir. It is all because of his motivation that this event is organized so well today. A huge round of applause for our management and principal and chief guest. Thank you. Now it is my honor to invite our distinguished chief guest, Dr. Archana Patki, to address us and share her valuable insights. I request our management and principal to take their seats in the auditorium.
A very good evening to one and all, dignitaries on and off the dais, parents, and dear students. At the outset, let me thank the management for inviting me here on this very special day of your school. Congratulations to all the parents. You're doing good as a parent if you have selected Seven Isles as a school, since it will look after the all-round development of your children. And your children have been doing splendidly well from whatever little I got to see, and I look forward to the evening. Our responsibility as parents begins with the choice of a school, but doesn't end there. We are captains of their ship as they navigate the waters of life. I have just two things to say to you. I know that today's VIPs are our children and the stage is theirs, so I'm going to keep it very, very brief. Just two things, as I said, I have to say. Child rearing is a responsibility. So my humble request to all the parents is just to maintain 3 A's of happiness in their life. One is affection, the second is acceptance, and third is a sense of achievement that you can give your children. This is the least that we can do as parents, and being a psychologist, I can tell you that it will make a big difference to their lives. The second thing that I want to tell you is to give children their childhood. Happy family times are the most important thing. Even if we are able to give them a few less material things, it is not a problem. Very often we as parents, sort of think we work very hard, we are out of the house for a long time, and we miss giving them a very happy family life. So my request to all the parents here would be to give them that so that they will have a very solid core, and that will stand them through the ups and downs of life. Because as we look around today, we see cases of rising frustration, lack of frustration tolerance, anxiety, depression, and we don't want our children to be part of that. To all the mothers here who are here, please celebrate your motherhood. If you're a working mom, I appreciate the hardships you go through in balancing home and careers. You can't do 100% in both areas. So accept it and be proud of what you're able to do, because you're looking after 2 spheres. The moms who are full-time homemakers, my double salute to you, because your selflessness is of another level. Please don't ever think that, very often we say that I'm only a housewife. That's the term which is used very often. Please don't let that define that be your defining feature. To the fathers who are here today, I see them more involved than the previous generation fathers. So kudos to all the hardships in both the work and the work world and the home. And I want to share what I had read somewhere, that the best thing that you can do for your children is to love their mother. And of course, it goes vice versa. And lastly, to the children, I'd like to tell them to study well, enjoy nature, run, fall, get up and run again. Enjoy your childhood. Very often I see children too much in a hurry to enter the adult world. So let that not be so. Stay away from phones, laptops, screens to the extent possible. They are going to be your companions in your work world. So today, my choicest blessings and best wishes to you all. Sculpt a good future for yourselves. And once again, thank you to the school management for inviting me for this function. I'm sure I'll cherish these memories forever. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your inspiring words, ma'am. I now request Ms. Zarina to carry on the program further.